you guys, I am not in Buffalo right now, but I did stop at a Target because I do want to check out their new fall fashion. I've been seeing it all over Instagram and I'm like, I cannot make those guys wait. I have to hurry up and check it all out. So I've got a cart full right here and I'm gonna hit up the dressing room. You guys know I always have to look at myself. The lighting is not good out here. But I'm super excited to show you guys everything that I have picked out already. There is so much, you guys. I'm gonna have to do an at-home haul to show you everything Target has this season. But let's get in the dressing room. I'm gonna show you fall fashion 2023 at Target. Hi guys, here I am in the dressing room just showing you what I wore. I was going out to dinner after this, so just a jumpsuit. That's actually by Sofia Vergara, no longer available, unfortunately, and there I am dancing. All right, let's get into the first outfit. If you're following me on Instagram, it's just at Life and Style by Liz. You have seen this one already, you guys. Check out that satin shirt. It is gorgeous. And I paired it with, yes, Wild Fable makes these liquid faux leather leggings. They're awesome. Wearing both of these in a size medium. That shirt comes in a ton of colors. I absolutely love it. I have one from H&M that's super similar, and I'm glad they are back because I'm going to grab more in other colors as well. And I would totally pair this with a pair of boots, obviously, not these sandals. I did not go over to the shoe department or grab anything just yet, but this outfit is adorable. Next up, I'm wearing another pair of Wild Fable pants. These are the high-rise straight leg cargo pants. I grabbed them in a size small. They do have some elastic in the back, so I was able to fit them. If I wanted to wear them a little baggier, I would definitely size up. Pair them also with this gorgeous bodysuit, you guys. I love the square neck. This one is also by Wild Fable. It's under $20, you guys. You can wear this under all of your jackets, blazers, anything. Also, all those cardigans I showed you last week. Definitely get this bodysuit. It is going to be a great basic layering piece, and I'm wearing both of those items in a size small. All right, you guys, I know you're watching a Target video right now, and I know my background isn't perfect, but I had to pop in here. I'm actually back from vacation, and I'm getting ready to go grocery shopping, and I'm going to check out a new Sephora that's by me. And I was like, oh, let me put some perfume on, because when I traveled, I did not bring it with me. You guys, I'm in love, so I had to pop on here and tell you my absolute all-time favorite Dossier scent. If you guys don't know, I am a Dossier ambassador, and this little portion of today's video is sponsored by Dossier. I've been with them, I think, going on 3 years. At least once a month, I tell you guys how much I love Dossier. They are a fragrance company that's very affordable, and they make their fragrances based off designers, so they consider themselves designer inspired. They do have some of their own signature scents, but what has made them famous is that they have these designer inspired scents. Well, on a whim, I bought this one called Floral Peony. I've brought it to you before, but you guys, I keep going back to it, and you know what that means. It's a favorite. Floral Peony is inspired by Chloe's Chloe. And the reason why I bought it on a whim was because as a kid, my mom used to wear Chloe. And I thought, oh, let's get that little nostalgic smell back, blah, blah, blah. You guys, I'm so in love with it. It has such a fresh, clean smell. I can't say that it's super floral or super not or musky. The top notes are peony, lychee, and lily. Did I ever tell you that I had peonies all over my wedding? My centerpieces, my bouquets, the boutonnieres, everything was peonies. I was obsessed and still am. There's a story behind that too. I won't get into it now. The middle notes are rose, magnolia, and freesia, and then the base notes, and I think this is what I love, musk, cedarwood, and honey. I'm not a huge floral person, which surprises me that I'm absolutely in love with Floral Peony. So don't forget, you can use my discount code. It will get you 10% off. It's right up there on the screen. The best part about Dossier is that they know it can be difficult to purchase fragrance online. So if you get this gorgeous bottle home, by the way, the cap is magnetic, I love it, and you decide the fragrance just isn't for you, you can get your money back. So you have nothing to lose with Dossier. That is my favorite part besides the magnetic cap. I tell you guys that all the time. Yes, I'm wearing a black. Why wouldn't I be wearing a black tube top, whether it's in the bodysuit form or an actual tube top? This is an actual tube top. You want me to back up and show you? I have my wide leg jeans on from Target as well. And if I can, I'll link them for you because they are my absolute favorite. Oh, and you guys, this shirt is Wild Fable. So I showed you some Wild Fable in today's video. This shirt is from 2 or 3 years ago from Wild Fable. I know, I love all of their stuff. Okay, back to Dossier. We love you, Dossier. And make sure you click on my link below and use my discount code 10% off. and I think you guys are gonna love it. They have tons of men's fragrances as well. My favorite men's fragrance, again, nostalgia, is their version of Acqua di Gio, and I think it's something aqua. I'll put it up on the screen. Of course, I don't remember, but my husband wears that reluctantly because he's like, I wore this, 25 years ago when we met. I'm like, yeah, put it on. All right, you guys, thank you to Dossier for sponsoring this little portion of today's video. Now let's get back to Target. All right, you guys, I did show you this dress last time we did a Target in the dressing room. However, I found this gorgeous green and blue floral print, and it made such a difference to me, really leading us into fall. It also comes in black, which I think would be great, of course, for fall. And you've got to picture it with some boots. Again, I'm wearing those sandals, but you have to picture this with either boots or booties or even a pair of cute mules. And I did link some below for you guys. So check out, it does have pockets, and it is that midi length. I'm showing you a close-up of the print. I just love it, you guys. It is $30, and I'm wearing it in a size small. Next up, I'm wearing this really cute cropped mock turtleneck sweater. This one is by A New Day, new for me too. And I'm wearing it in a size small, showing you that I'm also wearing these gorgeous cargo jeans. I think I have them on in a size 6. They were a little bit baggy, but you guys, I absolutely love the style of these. Look at that tiny utility pocket on the bottom. So, so cute. These are by Universal Thread, and again, wearing them in a size 6. I just love this entire look. Again, you have to pair this with some booties or mules, and that mock turtleneck does come in other colors. I think it is so, so flattering, especially with your hair pulled back. I obviously didn't do that just for this try on, but I think that is such a chic look. Speaking of A New Day, you guys, I saw this balloon sleeve, slim fitted ruched top. OMG, it is adorable, just showing you the ruching there. I love, love, love this print. It's got the black background and sort of like dots on it. And I kept the same jeans on just to show you how cute it is. All right, moving quickly right along into this black basic top. You guys are gonna wanna grab this. It comes in a ton of colors. I'm wearing it in a size small. It is gonna be another great layering piece. And then showing you these gorgeous pants. You guys, trousers are it this season. I've told you this before. These are the high-rise, relaxed, full-length, baggy, wide-leg pants. And again, wearing those in a size 4. I absolutely love the way this looks, but I'm telling you, grab those shirts. They come in a ton of colors. And by the way, those trouser pants are the same that I showed you last time that were in that sort of plaid. And again, the size 4 is what I am wearing. Loving, loving, loving this look. That's all for the try-on portion. Now let's go into the store. I'm going to show you some favorites. Check out this long sleeve button-down shirt. This one's by Universal Thread. You guys, it's $25. It comes in like 5 different colors. I absolutely loved this. It's going to look great over camis or just plain, or even over those liquid leather leggings that I showed you guys earlier. I think that would look adorable as well. And coming along with another basic, this is just a scoop neck cropped shirt. Now this kind of crop I believe is going to meet your waist. Don't think of it as like a half shirt. I love that it comes in all these colors. It is ribbed. Whoops, I couldn't put that one on. I did fix it for you. I do love that sort of burgundy color. And these are $15. You guys, grab a few. I'm going to link them below. Again, basic layering pieces for this new season. I always like to replace all of my basics as the new seasons start. Okay, and speaking of basics, check out this long sleeved crew neck. This one is also by Universal Thread, also $15. So again, stack up on your basics now. You guys will enjoy them all season. Absolutely loving these long sleeve flannel shirts, you guys. Again, you can layer these, wear tube tops underneath, camis, whatever you want. Look at that one. Is that not perfect for fall pictures? They do come in several colors. I would say these are an alternative to a shacket. If you don't like the heavy weight of a shacket, you guys can grab one of these and still layer them to get that perfect fall look. Next up, I was obsessed with this tiny micro handbag. You guys, look how adorable that is. It would look so cute all dressed up, and it's $25 by Universal Thread. I will make sure it's linked below. And they also had a gorgeous tote bag. I guess it converts to a backpack as well. I thought that would be perfect in that cognac color to carry you through fall at work. Next up is this dress, you guys. I thought it was so sweet. Now this one's a little shorter, but I love the colors. If you are in a warmer climate and you guys prefer to wear dresses, this would be the one for you. Look at that. It's almost in like a cheetah or a leopard, and it's called the elbow puff sleeve ruched dress. I think it's gorgeous. Pair that with some cognac boots and you guys will win. All right, you guys, that about wraps it up. I am just showing you pictures of everything I tried on for you guys today. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite look was. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more like this, please let me know in the comments down below. I hope you all have a great 2 days, and I will see you guys back here on Wednesday. Bye, everyone.